class, I wanted to make a webcast video about how to upload your documents into an e-portfolio via Blackboard. So here goes. Once you log on to Blackboard, on the left-hand side where the sidebar is, go down to where you see the button Tools. Click on that and you'll be taken to this page where in the center you'll see portfolios right here. Click on portfolios and you'll be brought to your portfolio dashboard. What I couldn't show you the other day in class was this over here on the side, and you'll want to click on My Artifacts first and then upload all the artifacts that you want to add. And you just press this button, Add Personal Artifact, whatever it is, literacy, narrative, essay, for example. Then scroll down, browse my computer, find it, press submit, and add. And I would do that for all your artifacts, add personal artifact. So you'll want to add your literacy narrative essay. You'll want to add one rhetorical analysis essay, and you can choose which one. And you'll want to add your commentary essay. Please keep in mind that one of those three needs to be revised before you add it. So I recommend adding the two essays you don't plan to revise first. Revise the essay you plan to revise, and then add that. The final thing that you need, and you must not forget, is your self-reflection, which is what you are working on this weekend and bringing in the first draft Monday for peer review. Everything needs to be uploaded and shared with me by Wednesday of next week. Once you're done adding, and notice how I had added a bunch of stuff for myself, go back to my portfolio link up here, and I have a portfolio, but you'll have nothing down in this area. So you'll need to go to the link Create Portfolio. Click on that and you'll be brought to this page. Here you'll write English 102 portfolio dash and then your name. I started to type my name, but I'll just say your name so it's easy. Then you can select a portfolio template. They used to have a whole bunch of templates in here, but now they have erased it. So I would just pick Meg's sample and then press submit. And then you'll go down here. If you wish to write a description, like what the contents are, for example, literacy narrative essay, rhetorical analysis, and commentary essay, that's for your notes. Then you'll press submit, and you'll be brought to the page where you can add and do things. It recommends that you take a tour, and I recommend that you do that too, and it'll bring you through the whole process. But if you don't want to and you explore on your own, you can do that as well. I'm just going to say that. And then here you can add your artifacts, and then you'll pick your artifact that you have uploaded, or you can go and add personal artifact this way. Browse your computer and do it like that. Either way is fine. Notice how you can have pages, sections. They have different things that you can do. There's preview and customize, settings, all that good stuff. And then you say done editing once you're done. And you can keep coming back to it. If you see here at the bottom, there's a button for edit. You click on that, it'll bring you back in there and you can add stuff. So you can start building this right away with the two essays that you're not revising. Come back in after you revise the third essay, put that in there. After Monday's class, when you've had the peer review and your reflection looks great and you've revised it, you add that and you're all done. Once you're done with the whole thing, you feel like you got everything you need, you're done, Then you want to come here and press more. And you'll go to the share button. And at the top is a pull down menu, share snapshot with, and you'll want to click users because I am a user in the class, and you'll put in my name and you'll browse it, and you should be able to find my name. If you can't do that, I'm looking like I'm not being able. I think maybe you can just put my name in there and that should be okay. Let's see. And you want to click send email, make sure it sends an email to yourself right here, and then press submit. Okay, let's see, it's not letting me do that. You might have to do external users for some reason. If that's the case, you can just put my email address. I think that's what it is. It could be I can't find myself because I am myself. And you can send a copy to yourself. I always recommend you do that. Don't password it because then I can't open it. And then press submit. And then it'll show you shared it with me. And there's my email address again, jill.sumstad@csueastbay.edu. And you're done. Don't share your portfolio with me until you have uploaded all 3 essays and your revised reflection. This will be due on Wednesday by midnight. So you have until midnight of Wednesday to share this with me. Okay, and that is it.